Hello everyone, today we are excited to discuss the benefits of ISO 15504, also known as SPICE, Software Process Improvement and Capability Determination. This international standard is a powerful tool for organizations seeking to enhance their software processes and achieve greater efficiency and quality. ISO 15504 provides a comprehensive framework for assessing and improving software processes. By adopting this standard, organizations can systematically evaluate their processes, identify areas for improvement, and implement changes that lead to significant benefits. Let's explore the key advantages of embracing ISO 15504. Enhanced process quality. First and foremost, ISO 15504 enhances process quality by providing a structured approach to process assessment. The standard helps organizations identify inefficiencies and areas of non-compliance. Implementing improvements based on these insights leads to more reliable, efficient, and high-quality software development processes. Another significant benefit is increased productivity. With well-defined and optimized processes, teams can work more efficiently. This means less time spent on rework and problem solving and more time focused on delivering value to customers. ISO 15504 helps streamline workflows, reduce bottlenecks, and improve overall productivity. Benefit 3. Better risk management. ISO 15504 also improves risk management. By regularly assessing and improving processes, organizations can proactively identify potential risks and address them before they become critical issues. This proactive approach reduces the likelihood of project delays, cost overruns, and other negative outcomes, ensuring more predictable and stable project execution. Benefit 4. Enhanced customer satisfaction. Enhanced customer satisfaction is another key benefit. High-quality processes result in high-quality products, which in turn lead to satisfied customers. By consistently delivering software that meets or exceeds customer expectations, organizations can build stronger relationships, enhance their reputation, and gain a competitive edge in the market. Benefit 5. Facilitated compliance and certification. ISO 15504 facilitates compliance and certification. Many industries and clients require adherence to specific standards and regulations. By implementing ISO 15504, organizations can demonstrate their commitment to quality and continuous improvement, making it easier to achieve certifications and meet regulatory requirements. Continuous improvement. Continuous improvement is at the heart of ISO 15504. The standard promotes a culture of ongoing assessment and refinement, ensuring that processes are continuously optimized to meet changing business needs and technological advancements. This focus on continuous improvement helps organizations stay agile and competitive in a rapidly evolving industry. Benchmarking and best practices. ISO 15504 provides a framework for benchmarking and adopting best practices. By comparing their processes against industry standards and best practices, organizations can identify gaps and implement proven strategies for improvement. This benchmarking capability helps organizations achieve higher levels of process maturity and capability. In summary, adopting ISO 15504 offers numerous benefits, including enhanced process quality, increased productivity, better risk management, enhanced customer satisfaction, facilitated compliance, continuous improvement, and access to benchmarking and best practices. By leveraging these benefits, organizations can achieve greater efficiency, higher quality, and sustained competitive advantage in their software development efforts. Thank you for your attention. If you have any questions or need further information, please feel free to reach out. Let's harness the power of ISO 15504 to drive excellence in our software processes. Thank you.